Hello, Wake County. I've got good news. The market is normalizing. We are seeing homes sell more quickly, and the buyers are more active since interest rates have adjusted. For more info about the housing market, be sure to check out my monthly real estate market series, which lets you know what's happening both locally and nationally. But for now, let's look at what's happening right here in Wake County. Hi, I'm Michele Saar with eXp Realty. Let's look at what's happening in Wake County, North Carolina. At the time of this recording, there were 1,884 listings, 2,657 pending homes, and 1,043 homes that sold in February. Homes sold for an average of $506,671 and were on the market an average of 28 days. In FUQUAY-VARINA, North Carolina, we have 229 active homes, 288 pending, and 101 sold in February after spending 23 days on the market. Homes in FUQUAY-VARINA sold for an average of $445,110. So you can see with the changing market, it's no surprise to us that homes are staying on the market longer. With the constant shifts, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next moves in real estate. Connect with me and my team today to get more information, and we can strategize on what to do with your home. If you'd like to continue seeing my monthly update videos, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button now. For results that move you, I'm Michele Saar with eXp Realty, bringing you home.